Elastic bands for sewing 1/4 inch 100 yards wide elastic string cord bands rope for sewing crafts D. 1/4 inch white 100 yards by Bodrum Wooden. Main features: this elastic string is white 6 mm thick, available in 10, 50 and 100 yards lengths and washing machine safe. Feel confident that your creations will remain in their original length, shape and size, even after numerous washes. High-quality material, made in Turkey. Bodrum Wooden flat elastic band is made from polyester fiber and woven rows of latex. These resilient properties provide long-lasting durability, practicality, and flexibility, making it perfect for all your knitting and sewing projects. Easy to work with, simply grab your scissors and cut to any desired length. The elastic string's flexibility makes it easy to weave it through any material. With minimal fraying properties, you can feel confident that your clothes will look and remain in top-quality condition. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.